Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures. Today we have two packages we are going to unbox. I already cut open the bag. This first one is from Ken. He is a subscriber. He sent me some stuff from Florida that he found. So let's go ahead and jump into it and check it out. And the other package goes with this one from another person, but we'll talk about that in just a minute. Small box full of goodies. Shark's teeth, look at that. That's so cool. Okay. So, what do we go for first? Let's go with the big bag and then we'll go with the small bags. So this is Pliocene fossil shells, UV reactive, from these counties in Florida. Cool. That's cool. That's beautiful. And here's another one. The flash is drowning out the shell. But these are beautiful shells. Alphabet cone. Cool. I do not have any of those. I'm going to open all these up and then just set them and we'll go through them each just a second. My hands are all sandy from the sand from the beach. Okay, we're going to take a look at this one first. Florida Fighting Conch. Another really beautiful shell. I'm going to have to get a jar to put all these in afterwards, just so they don't get lost. I'm not even going to try to pronounce some of them because I'm horrible at pronouncing words. That's a beautiful shell. Really pretty. Man, all these shells are so perfect. I love it. Tulip snail. I can pronounce that one. So pretty. You can see all the sand that came out of that one. And I found a couple of these when I visited Florida when I was much younger. But look at that. That's so cool. Lettered olive. That's cool. That's really freaking cool. Too much dust. And beautiful shell. They're all beautiful shells. Bay scallop. Thank you, Ken, for sending these to me. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna get a jar later and put those in them. Okay, so this one is an 6568. I'm sure that's just like a part number for whatever this bag went to. Turtle shell, Pliocene. Oh, cool. No way. Look at that. That's wicked cool. That is way too cool. Keep those two together. Okay, I'm not gonna read the part number. Come on. So this is an antler from the Ice Age. Oh, cool. Look at that. I love fossils so much. That's cool. So smooth. I want to come to Florida and find some of these, but I do not have the time to do that right now. That's cool. Okay, next. Ah, nice bull. So I assume this is a bull shark tooth, fossil tooth. That's beautiful. Look at those colors. That's real beautiful. I love that. That's awesome. So I think what I'm gonna do is, because so far this video is about 9 minutes and I still have this other box of goodies to open. I think this will be part 2, and then this one that we're doing right now is part 1. Just to help with the video time frame and my editing. More Ice Age mammal bones fossils. That's cool. Well, we know these take a polish, since they already got a little bit of a polish, but I may have to take like this one and cap it and wrap it in silver, because I think that could look kind of cool. Those are cool. I like those. Currently working on one right now. What do you guys think? You think that would look cool? I think so. I may have to do that. Okay, so now let's bust into the bag of shark teeth. So this is for Kurt from Kin. So a little backstory. Lisa Largent, she's a subscriber. She asked if I could make her a pendant out of some shark teeth, and I agreed to. So she was sending me a box, and then Ken was sending me a box, and I was not expecting him to send all of these for me, which is insanely like awesome and very kind. The kids group that I run on Facebook, I will probably put a couple of, like, one of these in like a little protective sleeve or something, and like hide them around the community for younger kids. But this is insane. Look at that. So many small, beautiful, colorful, incredible, I can keep going, crazy cool shark teeth. Just the amount of detail. It's way too cool. Look at that one. Oh, look at this tiny one. That one's sharp, pointy. Oh, okay, I think this one's the tiniest one in the bunch. If I can even pick it up. Keeps slipping out of my fingers. Look at that little baby. Look at it. That's too cool. I'm just gonna slide these up. We got one more little package. And we're wrapping from Lisa. Okay, so these are what I will be wrapping for Lisa. Do not get those mixed up. I'm gonna put this right there so I don't get it mixed up. Look at that. It's almost like a claw, but it's a tooth. That's too cool. Look at that. These are all so awesome. Ooh, I like the colors in this one. And this one. Burgundy brown orange tone mixed with the black. That's too cool. Well, that is amazing. I am going to get started on wrapping these with copper wire, and you guys will kind of get to see these in the next video, part 2, the following week. But I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I hope you guys enjoyed checking out these cool bones and teeth from Florida from Kitten. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment, let me know which is your favorite piece, and if you are new, please subscribe. It will definitely help me and the channel out, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Rock on, find some cool rocks or teeth, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.